Hi Skin Games, I'm Renee Asare, tuning in for week 1 of my case study for compromised barrier. This is my lovely model Sabrina. I have been sponsored by Neogenesis for this case study, so I'm very thankful for that. Miss Sabrina suffers with eczema, primarily around her mouth and her nose. She does wear a CPAP and a bite guard, so it's possible that that CPAP machine is adding a little insult to injury there. But Miss Sabrina, what do you think what would you like to achieve over the next 8 weeks?
Oh gosh, I'd really like to see if we can diminish some of the things that have happened to my skin because of the eczema.
Okay.
Kind of diminish some of the scar-looking stuff and above my lip where the vertical lines are, and just have an overall health to my skin. This is really what I'm wanting.
Well, I feel confident that we're going to be able to achieve those results with Neogenesis. So I'm really excited. We're about to start our first treatment, and it's all going to be about hydration, infusion, and calming her skin so that we can get her skin back to a very healthy state. So that is our #1 goal. So we look forward to working with Neogenesis during this case study for over the next 8 weeks. And I'm excited to work with Miss Sabrina and share our journey along the way. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next week for the compromised skin case study. Thank you, Skin Games. Bye-bye.